Calf augmentation or calf implants is a great procedure to increase the size of your calves. So it doesn't actually increase the size of the muscle. What it does is it creates the illusion of larger calf muscles by placing a silicone implant in the superficial muscle compartment of the posterior side of the leg. So there is a deep and superficial posterior muscle compartments in your leg, and the calf implants are placed deep to the muscle fascia but superficial to the calf muscles. So they create the illusion of larger calf muscles once the implants are in place. The procedure is done by making an incision behind your knee. I then use an endoscopic camera and retractor to make a precise pocket for the implants underneath the muscle fascia against the muscle belly of the calf muscles. I then slide the implant into place and close up the skin incision in layers. Following this procedure, I want you to avoid a significant amount of walking or calf exercises. Basically, I want you to take it easy. You can walk around, that's fine, but please don't go do calf raises or work on your vertical for a few weeks. Give it 3 weeks to heal before you do a significant amount of lower leg exercises. You can shower after 48 hours. You can go swimming and go underwater after 3 weeks, assuming everything has healed up nicely. You can do upper body exercises after 1 week, as long as you minimize the amount of stress on your legs. Meaning, I don't want you doing upper body exercises that involve a bunch of compound movements or compound exercises that would incorporate your calf muscles into that workout. I'm also going to have you wear some gentle compression stockings to help minimize the swelling and edema of your legs following the calf augmentation. You only need to wear these compression garments for the first couple weeks. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.